Welcome back to You in a Garage. Today we're going to be testing the rescue winch.
Okay, it's starting to move. Starting to move.
Now we've seen portable winches before, but most are heavy, expensive, and are capable of only pulling a couple hundred pounds. And they only come with 20 to 50 feet of cable. The rescue winch comes with 200 feet of synthetic cable and is capable of pulling 10,000 pounds with a triple line pull. That's good enough to rescue a full-size rig like this one. We had an issue with our drill, so we decided this was the perfect time to try out the manual crank handle. Even just using our own muscle power, the rescue wrench was able to pull the Jimmy free.
It is. It's definitely pulled this front end over. Oh, there we go. Yeah, baby.
The rescue winch can be powered by a cordless electric drill or by the included hand crank, so that you're never left without an out. This is a portable package with everything you need to pull yourselves out of a bad situation. The package includes the rescue winch, 200 feet of synthetic line, 4 soft shackles, 2 snatch rings, and a tree saver. You get all of this for less than 800 bucks, and it all fits in this backpack that only weighs 25 pounds. So we're going to demonstrate how the rescue winch works on a full-sized rig like this. I've got a front bumper mounted winch, but let's say I'm stuck in the water here. Well, that's not going to do me any good because I need to pull that way. Well, I pull out my trusty rescue winch, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to use this to pull this backwards. So, unzip the bag. Okay, pull out our rescue winch, pull out our included tree saver. All right, with our soft shackle in place, now we just need to run out our cable. Now we've already got a soft shackle in place on this side. Now, because this is a full-size rig, we're going to be using a triple line pull. Hook it onto the winch, and we go back to the truck. Now with the last spot on our other recovery point, and pull our 3 lines back. Right here, you pull this pin, put the line in right there, and that holds the line in the right spot so we can wrap it around the winch. So we're going to fill up all of these grooves or with our line, making sure not to overlap any lines. Okay, on the last one, flip the cover out of the way, get the line down on there, flip the cover back over, and we're ready to pull. And now we just need our drill. We've got at least a 4 amp hour battery. And we're ready to go. So, as you can see, the rescue winch is more than capable of pulling a full-size rig. We just got back from running the Rubicon trail, and we took the rescue winch with us to see how it would perform in a real-world situation.
We've got a Gladiator stuck on the trail up here a little farther ahead. Doesn't have a winch, so luckily we have our trusty rescue winch. We're going to pull it out and see if we can't get him out. Let's go rescue him. Luckily the whole package, 25 pounds, fits in a backpack, so we don't have to worry about trying to reposition the truck or anything. Just go put it where we need it and pull him out. Let's go.
This situation is perfect for the rescue winch. The Jeep that needed help didn't have a winch of its own, and it was several hundred yards further up the trail. Although there were several vehicles nearby that had bumper winches installed, none of them could get in a position to help. The trail was too narrow for anyone to pass. They had already tried traction boards and stacking rocks without any luck. The light, portable rescue winch was the perfect tool for the job.
On this, so it stays on the...
I welded a juice transmission that, yeah, like, rock, it was stuck in the pit. Like, a year or two ago.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
Yeah, they do a lot of batteries and
Yeah, it's just a little hole. So we got this Jeep Gladiator. It's a stock height and it's just stuck up on its control arm brackets here. So we're gonna just kind of give it a little tug and hopefully get it freed. Okay, give me the other side. This is the, yep. Good. Let me get that on that first one. Wait, push it over. Oops, sorry. Okay, flip that cover over. There we go. Down there, good. Okay, hold on to this while I get the drill and everything ready. Okay. Okay. Got all the gear reduction, all of it. Okay. Now keep an eye on it and make sure that they don't get wrapped over.
Do you need to be on that?
No, that one doesn't. That one's, we're just using that as a anchor. Okay, we ready? All right.
That worked splendidly. Just a nice little tug, and see, he's freed up. Just need a few inches.
Rescue winch for the win. We're back up and moving. Let's get this unpacked, or packed back up.
As you just saw, having a portable winch can be a lifesaver. Now, I wouldn't trade my bumper pull winch for it, but sometimes you need to pull in a different direction, or you need to rescue somebody where you can't get your bumper pull winch into the right position, like we just saw on the trail. Now, most of the people that we wheel with already have a bumper winch installed, but when at all possible, we try to pull them out with another truck instead. This is because running a winch cable out and then back in when you're done can take a lot of time. It's a lot quicker and easier just to pull them with another truck. The rescue winch, however, is not only portable, but it's really quick and easy to deploy and pack back up.
The way that we have it in the bag, we've got both ends tied off. So it'll never be able to tie in knots at all or tangle at all. So when you take it out to line out, you just unclip the one side, take it, here's free spool. And it goes similar on the way in.
Okay.
Not nearly as fast. The way in, just go right down.
2.5 minutes to do 200 feet is all. So the one thing we're also skipping with this process, most of the time consumers are going to be using this as like the super users like yourself will be using this as a secondary option.
Correct.
But most of our consumers will actually be purchasing this as a primary, as a just in case I need something. I'm not going to put a winch mounted, a bumper mounted winch on my vehicle. See, he's already wheeled in.
That's it.
There's no pretensioning. That was the pretensioning process, right? Line back in. Whereas whenever you use this, so that you don't become a bird's nest, you have to add another 10 to 15 minutes in of appropriate pretensioning if you're really comparing speed to speed of total use of the winch.
If you don't want the added expense of buying a winch bumper and then having it installed, or you just want an auxiliary winch, this is a nice option. Whether you have a dedicated wheeler, a crossover, an SUV, a side-by-side, or just Gambler 500 rig, the Rescue Winch just might be the peace of mind tool that you need. The Rescue Winch is not for sale just yet, but keep an eye on our channel and we'll let you know as soon as it's available. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out, and thanks for watching You in a Garage. There we go. Oh, crap. I just let the truck roll back down into the water. Okay, make sure the vehicle is secure before you let the tension off the winch. All right. Well, luckily I didn't go very far.